Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
Hey, we're out here in the garage, like always, at a different spot though, and we want to give you guys a quick tip. So please, if you don't mind, consider liking our channel.
Please subscribe.
Ring
It's
the
free.
notification bell
Yes,
too, right?
ring the bell, ring the
I was
bell.
gonna talk while you talk.
It's all good.
And check out our merch, please.
Yeah, we got tons of cool merch. Well, let's get on with the quick tip.
Okay, it is a quick tip and we'll be quick, we promise. Check this out, lighting's important, right, Ryan?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we've got a new little thing I found online here. Had no intention of buying this, but I saw a good deal on Slick Deals. And this Ridgid panel LED light. Check that out. You can close
Cool.
barn doors, close up, open up. You can direct your light. We have it plugged in right now to a standard electrical plug, but it does accept the battery, the 18-volt batteries, if you want to go cordless.
Sweet. So that's where the hybrid, right?
Yeah,
comes
it
in?
says hybrid on the box.
All right, so
So here, let's turn it on.
I'm going to run to the back of the camera here, and we'll show you really quickly how this awesome, because lighting is important. Good lighting when detailing your interior.
Yeah, if it's hard to see, you're gonna miss spots. So
That's right.
So we're gonna go ahead and light up the interior of the truck here. Power button on the side. You guys see that? You just tap the power button. And then the second cool thing, you can dial up the intensity of the light. Check that out.
Brighter
So-
and dimmer.
and
Oh, that's
dimmer.
cool. Yep, got it.
Sweet. So it's coming through. All right, I was wondering if that was gonna come through on video. So obviously on low power, we don't have a lot of light going on in the truck there. Let's dial it up. Yeah.
Yeah, see, you
Look
can
at that.
see all that.
You can see everything you need to see. Get all that dirt. You can tell I have a dirty vehicle right now.
Yeah, we need to get that detailed
Somebody
there,
should
Brandon.
Detail that. Okay, but anyways, so and that's another thing I want to say. I'm gonna turn this off and point it back at you here. Oh, and when you power it down, it like slowly dims to the. Watch this. Awesome.
Cool.
Kind of cool. Is tripod mountable. They actually sell it. Ridgid sells a tripod to stack on this thing, or to hook this to, so you can have it on your tripod. I even think there's there's keyhole slots somewhere. Where are they? Oh, like here. So you could mount this, you could hang this on your wall or something because it is adjustable. You just loosen this kind of clamp here. Check out your range of motion. So you can mount this on your wall.
A lot of articulation.
Yeah.
Show the flaps, I guess, or the.
Yeah, fold those in, close it up, keeps it
So
protected.
it's a little
while
easier to
stowed away.
store, protects it.
So a lot of adjustability in a pretty cool little package.
Nice.
So there you go, guys. Quick tip. Get some good lighting in the garage and this Ridgid tool. So we appreciate you watching. Until the next one.
This has been a Pure Octane Garage quick tip.